Hey guys, my name is Brant Franzel. Welcome to Kia of Everett. Today we're going to be talking about Kia drive modes, what they mean, what they can do, and what they can offer. Kia's drive modes are designed to adapt to your behavior depending on your driving style and the environment that you're in. The drive modes that Kia offers are Eco, Normal, Sport, and myDrive, and they also have 3 terrain modes, which is snow, mud, and sand. Now let's break all of those down. Starting with Eco mode is all about fuel efficiency. Not only is it going to lower the throttle down so it has slower, more gradual acceleration, it's also going to shift sooner so it keeps RPMs lower. Added onto that, some trim levels will reduce the all-wheel drive unless it's absolutely needed. Also, the air conditioning will slightly be reduced to save power as well. The goal here for Eco mode is to use as little fuel as possible, as little energy as possible. So when you're cruising down the freeway, stuck in traffic, or you're just trying to stretch your gas tank to get as much out of your battery or your fuel tank as possible. The next one is Normal mode. There's nothing very special about Normal mode other than it's just meant to be your default setting that's going to be on every single time you turn the car on, and it's just meant to give you a smooth, comfortable drive. It's meant to be your set it and forget it drive mode. So with Normal mode, the shifting is just going to be very smooth and gradual, and then the throttle response is also going to be normal, just to give you a nice comfortable ride. Next up is Sport mode. So with Sport mode, this is where things get interesting, and this is also my favorite mode and the one that I always leave it in no matter what. With Sport mode, your horsepower is increased, your throttle response is increased, and also your steering and suspension stiffens up, giving you that more aggressive drive. Ideal for twisty roads, highway merging, or just when you want the car to feel more alive and responsive. Then we have myDrive. So what myDrive actually is it's actually going to learn your driving habits. So there's up to 5 driver profiles that you can have on a Kia, and each one of those driver profiles can have their own myDrive setting. And what it will do is it will learn your driving habits, and then it creates that driver mode for you specifically. The awesome thing about myDrive is if you're just driving, what it's designed to do is just to leave you in normal or eco, to give you that great gas mileage or that low energy consumption. And then when you need the power, say you're getting on the freeway or you need to pass somebody, it will actually shift into sport mode for you and give you that aggressive power that you need. So myDrive, it's definitely the best option for set it and forget it drive modes. Not all Kias have myDrive. Some of them only have the normal mode. But if you do have myDrive, definitely take advantage of it. Last but not least, we have our 3 terrain modes, and these are only available on select all-wheel drive models. Knowing when to use each one can get you the most out of your Kia and give you the best experience. For today, that's all we've got on Kia drive modes. If you'd like to learn more, please come down to Kia of Everett. My name's Brant. Simple, easy fun. We'd love to have you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.